So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can rank your gig on the first page of the Fiverr. And this is the hidden trick. By using that hidden trick, so many of the freelancers are making thousands of dollars each and every day. If you also wanted to earn thousands of dollars by using or selling your gig, you have to put your gig onto the first page. And today in this video, I am going to tell that hidden trick. By that trick, your gig will be placed on the first page automatically, and because it will be on first page, you will get so many orders. So stay tuned with this video until the end, and I am going to show that hidden trick.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So who don't know about the Fiverr? Let me tell you the basic thing that Fiverr is a selling or buying place where freelancers or the seller will publish their gig or services as a freelancing or as a gig, and buyer comes on this page by looking or by searching answers of their problems or solution for their problems, and they will hire you for their problem. For an example, if someone is searching for a good logo design and you are a seller with that skill, you will publish your gig onto the Fiverr, and seller will look your sample designs, or he will chat with you what type of services you are offering into the logo design and what kind of logo they are looking for. And after the requirement, you will tell them the price of the logo design and the time duration, and this is how it works. So if you wanted to know more detail about the basics of the Fiverr, I already made one video. On the I button, you can check out that video as well. As a seller, you have to be on the front page of the Fiverr gig. For an example, if I'm a buyer here and I will search Instagram shout out, that means I wanted to be loud on the Instagram. That means I wanted to be famous on the Instagram, and for that, there are many sellers who are offering the shout out thing. For an example, here you can see this lady is offering the shout out on 255k fashion Instagram. What I'm trying to say here is you have to be front of the page. I will not go on to the next page until unless I will be a very specific shout out I'm looking for, or a buyer is wanted to be shout out on a particular topic. He will just search on the front page or the online seller. So make sure that your as a seller should be online button always be checked. Here you can see the online seller, the gig has been replaced by this guy, and he is the online, and his gig is currently appeared on the front page of the shoutout keyword. So what happens here is he has a more chance rather than the other sellers who has a gig onto the last page or last end rather than on the front page. So you have to be on front page. How you can be on front page? That is the trick. So there is a plugin called Easy Auto Refresh. What it does actually, it will automatically refresh your page by a given time. What you have to do here is you have to just add on to the Chrome as an extension, and for an example, if this is your gig, you just click on here and click on the share button, or you can collect the link icon from your gig section as well as a seller, and you have to click on the you have to copy the link, and after installing this easy auto refresh, you have to paste that link onto the tab, and you have to select a 30-second time frame. What does it means? After every 30 seconds, here this page will automatically refresh by the plugin. So actually the Fiverr algorithm works in such a way that if every 30 seconds this page will get refreshed, the Fiverr will understand that your gig is getting promoted automatically, or you're getting so many views on your particular gig. So once you are started getting the views or the impression, Fiverr will start automatically placing it on the top of the page. So this is how the algorithm works. So by using this easy auto refresh plugin, you will be able to place your gig on the front page. So by using this trick, you will be able to make thousands of dollars from the Fiverr. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and if you wanted me to make more videos on this topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you.